Hi, hello. Today I am going to discuss how to cook oats without sticky and slimy nature. And I am also going to discuss the benefits of oats. First, I'll discuss the benefits of the oats. Without any further ado, let's get started. Oats are considered as nutrition dense cereals and it is mainly cultivated in North America and Europe. Initially, it is used as animal fed. After knowing its health benefits, there is increase in consumption of oats by humans. It is nutrition dense grain. Oats gained significant consideration as a part of daily diet. Coming to the nutritional aspects of the oats, oats are rich in protein, starch, lipids, dietary fibers, both soluble and insoluble dietary fibers. It is also rich in some micronutrients like zinc, folate, vitamin E, selenium, copper, carotenoids, and lignins. Oats are rich in soluble fiber beta glucan. Beta glucan is responsible for all health benefits of the oats. Oats helps in regulation of blood glucose level. As it is a fiber rich, there is increase in transit time of sugars from intestine to bloodstream. It means it has low glycemic index. This is how oats regulate blood glucose levels. Oats for weight loss. As it is a fiber rich, there is fullness feeling for long time so that we don't have cravings anymore. We don't tend to eat more. Oats are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is antioxidant which helps us to protect from the free radicals, hence prevents cancer. The soluble fiber beta glucan in oats helps in reduction of the cholesterol in the blood, which in turn helps in the reduction of the coronary heart diseases. Oats has its positive impact on the gastrointestinal problems. Let's quickly jump into our recipe. Here I am going to show how to cook oats without any sticky and slimy nature. It's very important to note that we should drink more water when we eat oats as it is fiber rich. Coming to the recipe, I have taken a vessel, heavy bottom vessel and add 1 glass water and enough salt. I have taken 1 glass oats for 1 glass water. Here I am going to tell you that we should not add oats when the water is warm or cold because at this point it will release the sticky nature. So when the water get boils, this is the right time to add oats. See, you can clearly see in this video. Now we have to mix the oats properly. As soon as we add the oats, the water will be absorbed by the oats. Then this is the right time we have to immediately simmer the stove and close the lid. After 6 to 8 minutes you can see that oats are only half cooked. Only 60%. You can clearly see this in video. It is not cooked. It is only half cooked. Now you have to take this vessel from the stove and keep it aside. After 10 minutes you can clearly see the oats are completely cooked. So it is very important to take heavy bottomed vessels. After keeping aside, the heat from the vessel conducts to the oats and helps in the overall cooking of the oats without sticky and slimy nature. After that you can add spoonful of butter which gives much separated grains. So this is how we have to cook oats separately without sticky nature. You can enjoy with your favorite curry, chutney, or you can have with the curd. You can just have this oats just as a rice, white rice, which are much more nutritious, helps in the weight loss programs.